Welcome to this tutorial on how to find watch lists in Thinkorswim. Whether you are a beginner or a more experienced trader, having a watch list is essential for tracking your favorite stocks and managing your trades effectively. In this video, we will guide you through the steps needed to locate and create watch lists within the Thinkorswim platform. First, open your Thinkorswim application and log into your account. Once you have access to the main dashboard, look for the Market Watch tab located at the top menu bar. Click on this tab, and you will see several options available to you. Here, you can navigate to the Quotes subtab where you will find the default watch list as well as the option to create your own custom watch lists. To create a new watch list, click on the Watch List option located on the left side of the screen. From there, you will see an option labeled Create Watch List. Click on it, and a new window will pop up allowing you to name your watch list and add symbols of the stocks you would like to track. Simply enter each stock symbol and hit Add after each entry. Once you have added all the stocks you wish to include, make sure to click Save to store your watch list. Finally, to access your saved watch list in the future, return to the Watch List section under the Market Watch tab. Your custom watch list will be displayed in a drop-down menu. Simply select the watch list you want to view, and you will see all the stocks you've added. With this handy tool at your disposal, you can now monitor your stocks more effectively and make informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching this tutorial on finding watch lists in Thinkorswim.